This week we are going to work on creating a list in Microsoft Word. So the first thing we're going to do is we can change our font to a font that we like, and we can change our size up to size 20 if you would like. And you could pick one that you like between maybe 12 and 20, but don't go higher than 20, please. Then you can change the color to a color that you like. You click on the A over here and you pick the color that you like. So this week what we're going to do is we're going to write about our favorite foods. Now you see when I click over here it goes to the left. When I click to the center it goes to the center. Left, center, left, center, left, center. So I click on the center and I'm going to write my favorite foods. Okay. Now if you want to underline that, what you could do is you could highlight it and you could go over here and you could do the U to underline it if you want, or you can make it bold like this, B, or italics like this, okay, to make it slanty. So I'll choose the U for underline. So the way you get that underline once again is you highlight it and then you click on the U. Okay, and that's how you get the underline. Then after you're done, you click on it and you can unclick the U to take the underline off. Because if you leave that U on, it will keep underlining. We don't want to do that. We want to only underline our favorite foods. So you click like this, and click enter, and then we're going to go back to the left. So once again, this gives us to the left, and this goes to the center, left, center, left, center. Okay, so we want to go to the left. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a list in Microsoft Word. So here's how you do it. If I want to use this one here, it will make a little dot like that. Or I could do automatic numbers. So if I click here, it makes an automatic number. And I start writing my favorite food. So maybe I like pizza. And click enter. And maybe I like hamburgers and French fries. Maybe I like sushi. Maybe I like tacos. Maybe I like chicken sandwich. Maybe I like ribs. So you're going to put the ones that you like. And notice when I click enter, it goes to the next line and it automatically puts the number. So the computer is making it easy for me because it's going to put in the numbers for me. Okay, so maybe I like chicken nuggets. Maybe I like a salad I like to eat. Maybe I like watermelon. Maybe I like grapes. Maybe I like apples. Okay, so you're going to put all of the things that you like to eat. Pop-Tarts. Okay, so at least 10. If you could write at least 10 of the things that you like to eat. And then at the end, what we'll do is we'll add in our border, as we've done before. We go to Design, okay, and you have your page border over here. And what you could do is you can go to Art down here, and you could pick a food if you like. Okay, so I'll pick an apple. If you don't want to do that, you can go Box, and you can do. If you don't want this one, you can click None, and then you click Box, and you can choose a color if you want. If you want to make it a color, like that would give me orange. If you don't like that, what you could do is you go to Page Border, and you could make it an apple, because that works with fruit. Okay, or cake, whatever you like to do. So now we have our underlined title, we have our list, and we have our apples on the top, or border. You could just do a border that you like, and then you can go to Insert. I go to Insert Pictures, and an online picture, and then I'm just going to put in the food that I want to do. Maybe I'll put pizza, and you could put more than one if you'd like. Now I have my pizza in here, and I click Insert. Now I have my pizza in there. Okay, and I could resize that, and you could get rid of this part here. If there's writing in there, you can get rid of that, and I can make this a little bigger if I go like that. Okay, so now I have my food list with my automatic numbering. I have my underlined title, and I have my border, and then I have my clip art at the end. Okay, so that's how we do it in Microsoft Word. If you want to use Google Docs, okay, you would start in your project, add or create. So you just go to the assignment in Google Classroom, and you add a doc, and it's very similar. Okay, what you're going to do here, same thing. You could change your size over here, and then this is the aligning tab. You can align to the center like this, and you could underline. Okay, here's the underline. You can say my favorite foods. click enter. You can take the U off, then you can align it back to the left, and now we have to do our list again. So I can use like this, a numbered list, or I could use a dot like this. It's up to you when you want to use. I'll use the numbers, and then the same thing. You just do pizza, hamburgers, etc. You do your list again, 10 of them. Then when you're done, you just do insert, insert image, search the web. Same thing, pizza. You pull it up. Now I got pizza in there. I click insert. I click on the photo, click insert, and now I have it in. And then when you're done, you could click turn in over here, and you click turn in, and it can be turned in. If you're in Microsoft Word, what you would do is you do file. Everybody see file? File save or save as, or you could use this blue saving disk. Okay, so I'll do file, save as, and I can choose the desktop, my favorite foods. I click save. So you could choose where you want to save it. I'll choose it on the desktop. Click save. And then when you're in Google Classroom, I'll unsubmit this so I could show how to do the Microsoft Word. I could do add or create a file. And now I'm just going to drag it in here. I'm just going to drag in my file over here, and then it will upload. Okay, so that's what we're going to do this week. We're going to work on our numbered list in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and we're also going to work on having a centered title and an underlined title as well.